The main arguments for the Federalist versus Anti-Federalist debate are, should the national government be strong or weak, which is the main topic for this video. Some of the other debates were, how many houses should the legislative branch have, 1 or 2? Should the amount of people in the House or houses, undecided at that time, of the legislative branch for each state be based on proportional representation, which means if a state has more people, then they have more votes, or equal representation, where each state has the same amount of votes in Congress? Lastly, should the Constitution be completely scrapped or just edited? In the video, you will be learning more about one of the main debates between the Federalist and Anti-Federalists. And that debate is, should the government have a strong or weak national government? You will also see what your classmates thought about this problem.
Hi, I'm Perkin Merrill, and I'm a Federalist. I think a strong national government is what we need. I am a voice of the Federalists that think the Constitution should be changed. I know that I'm right, and the Anti-Federalists are wrong.
Hi, I'm Adrian Kabiri, and I am an Anti-Federalist. Unlike James Madison, I think a weak national government is best for our nation, and the Constitution should be changed.
Sir Kabiri, why do you think a national government should be weak opposed to strong?
I know that why a weak national government is better. Because, well, look at what we just ran away from, a monarchy. So I find it obvious that we want the opposite of that. So you tell me, why do you want a strong national government, Mr. Madison?
Well, for one, if the individual states have their own government, there could be disagreements, and before you know it, there could be wars. With a strong national government, we could skip this altogether. Instead of individual states, we could be one whole state, the United States.
Now let's see what the people think.
Hi, I'm Caleb Robinson.
Nice to meet you. So basically, you have two choices for the government that you would want. The first option is a strong national government, and the powers divided between the national government and other government units. And your other option is a weak government, and the powers are based on state governments. Which one would you pick?
I'd rather have a strong national government.
Weak national government.
You have two choices for the government that you would want. The first option is a strong national government, that the powers divided between the national government and other governmental units. In the U.S., this means that the power is divided between our federal government and our states and local governments. The second option is a weak government, and the powers are based on a state government.
I think I'd go with the strong national government.
Weak national government.
Strong national government.
As you saw from the video, most of your classmates voted for a strong national government. They won by only 1 vote. You might ask yourself, how does this decision affect us today? Well, today we still have a strong national government with weaker state governments, which is what the Federalists and Anti-Federalists decided at the end of the debate. Also, a strong national government is what your class chose over a weak national government, which you obviously know from your video.